Hi, Crafty friends. It's here, the Cheeky Bum, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul. I've had some of this stuff for over a week, but I figured I need to put it all away and do a haul because some of this is for like Christmas gifts or stuff I'm gonna put in Happy Mail and stuff like that. So I am gonna get into it. I usually really like the gift bags this year, but or each year, but I only got a couple. I got some of the smaller ones. I like the size to put just little things in here, and I really like the bulbs. I wish the bulbs had some glitter on there, but they're cute. I really like this one because I just like little houses. I don't know why. I like little things. Little houses are cute to me, and then this one is just kind of striped, so this doesn't scream Christmas to me. I can use this for any time of the year, so I think that's all the holiday stuff I really got. I found these, and I'm so excited for these. So it's a book club kit. Let me put this back down. I don't know exactly what it's going to entitle. I mean, it kind of shows you on the back. My store had 3, so I grabbed all 3 of them. I am a book reader. I am in a book club, but I thought that I could use these for my reading journal. So you get a couple bookmarks. These are cute. Oh, I like those. You get a voting, like, so if you're in a book club and you have suggestions, you can use these. I probably wouldn't use these, but again, oh, you get 2 of each. That's kind of cute. Oh, I like that. Again, yes, I'm a reader, and I thought these could be really cute in my reading journal. You get 2 of these like ballot things. You get some stickers, you know, that you can put in your book that, you know, say these are yours type of thing. And then you just get this little booklet. Okay, but I think, like, again, I'd probably end up taking this apart, but it is kind of cute. I think that it, you know, it has potential for $1.25. I think it's cute. So even the box is cute. So that's that. What else did I get? Like I said, I got as many as I had of those. I found a new Harry Potter coloring book. This one does look a little cutesy. The other ones that the Dollar Tree carries are a little bit more advanced. This one is on the cutesy side, and it's just like all the characters. But you know, I mean, I really like to color. I probably won't color in this, but I will keep it because eventually I will have grandkids, and my grandkids are gonna love Harry Potter. I will make sure of that. They will be Harry Potter fans. I did find some new notebooks. I just got one, but this is like a cherry, and it's like raised. It's so cute. I really like cherries. I like notebooks, so I thought that was a no-brainer. They have a ton of new face masks. I got some pumpkin chai latte. This is a foot mask. I love foot masks. I feel like, you know, we're coming into winter. You're going to need to stay hydrated. And I also found these vanilla bean foot masks. I feel like these are great little stocking stuffers, or, you know, I love to gift self-care stuff because I love a good mask. I like self-care stuff. I also found these. I thought that these would be really good for Valentine's Day and Valentine's swaps because you get 2 masks in one. You have a chocolate and then a strawberry, so it's like chocolate covered strawberry, and they're in a heart shape. Like, these are perfect for that. So good. They did have some Disney gel iPads. I only picked up the Aristocrat one because this is, oh, what's her name? Now I can't think of it. Oh, I can't think of her name right now. The little white cat. They had the pig from Moana. Why the pig from Moana instead of, like, you know, some monstera leaves or, you know, hibiscus? I don't know. They had apple for Snow White. I feel like they might have had a crown for Cinderella. I don't know. There was a few different ones, but I just didn't like any of them. Like, the correlation was just okay. Like, the apple wasn't even like, you know, the poison apple was just a plain apple. I don't know. So I got these ones because I thought they were cute, and they're cats. I love cats. I did find some hand sanitizers and hand sanitizer cases. Again, self-care. Like, we're getting in a flu season. I'm going to be traveling. These are definitely going in my travel bag, and I plan on gifting. But I found 4 colors, and I found some new scents and a hand sanitizer. They're in a different bag. Is that it for this bag? Oh, I found this. I don't know if this is new or not. But this is an Aleene's glue stick, but it says industrial strength. So it says permanent. We're gonna try this out. I don't know. I'll probably, yeah, junk journaling is kind of what I was leaning towards. Or December daily, something like that. Anything that I was gonna do craft wise, I would probably use liquid glue, but for myself, I thought that I'd try it out. I don't know. Have you guys seen this? Have you used it? Do you know? Is it good? I need to know. Okay. Found some new little hair clips, and they're, you know, cowgirl, because, you know, I feel like cowgirl's over. Do I need any more of this stuff? No. But again, I'm thinking, you know, stocking stuffers, stuff like that. Here are the new scents of hand sanitizers I found. I found peach and confetti cake. So I think that these match these pretty well. And I think I had some latte ones that I had found in my stash as well. So that's what I found of those. Oh, I do have body care in here, and I usually pull this stuff out, but they do have new scents of, so if you are one of the clean shower girlies, this one is a Brazilian sunset scent. I think they also have vanilla. Let's see. I don't know if I can smell it. I don't know. I can't really smell much, but we got that. And then they also had some new body washes. These would be so cute in a gift basket or something like that. This one is hot cocoa, and they also had a sugar plum one. They had one hot cocoa open, so I did smell it, but we're going to smell this one because I'll probably keep this for myself. Well, maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm not. But it did smell just like hot cocoa, so like a chocolatey scent. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it smells like straight up hot cocoa powder. But I am a hot cocoa girl, so I was like, ooh, we're going to try this out. So I don't know anything about this. I don't know how well it, you know, suds up or anything like that. But I do like hot cocoa. So we're going to try that. We'll put that in the shower. I did find, so I had gotten some of these before, and I seen somebody else haul some other ones. So I've got the travel ones, but I found a Good Vibes one and a pastel preppy. And I got 2 of these because I feel like I would use this more. Again, junk journaling, I feel like you could even use these as like packaging for swaps, depending on what the swap is. But you could, since it's glossy, you could put your embellishments on these and put these in your packaging. But this one, like I said, it's a Good Vibes. So we have Magic 8 Ball, we have Fortune Cookie, Butterfly. Oh, I love a good checkered. So you got some cool groovy. These would have been perfect for the groovy swap. We have this one. Ooh, we got double of that one. Some marble, some dice, more marble, disco ball, marble. I'm not really loving the marble, but I mean, you could even cut these out and use them as ephemera if you wanted to. I love a good smiley face, self-love, attract love, good vibes, lucky girl, positive energy, manifest good things. I really liked these because, of course, I like, you know, pink cowgirl stuff. So I thought that these would be really cute to use somehow, some way. And then the pastel preppy one had some really good, cute things in there as well. So we have like a gingham, flower. I liked this little camera. That'd be cute in like a travel journal. Some butterflies, flowers, bows. I mean, you can use flowers for anything really, butterflies. I liked the books, you know. That's what I was thinking. Gotta love the books. Cherries. Oh, I love this like French floral print. Flowers. Tea. Coffee. Like I said, there's always tea and coffee swaps. I like all the book things. Oh, I got 2 of these. Oh, they're 2 different ones, but I like these. These are cute. Bows. Bows are really cute. Oh, these are cute. Strawberries. Do it for you. So those are cute. I like them. And then these were all over like kind of by the checkout where they have like just a little cart full of stuff. I also found these record player coaster sets, and I was like, what can I do with these? Can I do something with them? Like, can I paint them? Can I put paper on them? What can I do to them? So you get the little record player, and then you get the little records. So what I think I'm going to try to do, so I have, one of my best friends is obsessed with Taylor Swift. So I'm wondering if I can't, I don't think I can paint these and it stick, but I could cut out or like print off some Taylor Swift record pictures and put them on in the center for her. That would be really cute. I could possibly make a mold of this and re-pour it in like colored resin. I don't know. I just thought that they were really cute for $1.25. I thought it was really cute. And then last but not least, I found more playing cards. But these ones are all Christmas ones. So these ones are Christmas Vacation, which is one of my favorite movies. So the back is all the same. It's just this Christmas Vacation. And then we have, you know, photos of just screenshots of the movie throughout the movie. But they're really cute. I think I'll get some use out of them. I'll probably keep these for playing. Like, again, we play a lot of card games, especially around the holidays. And almost all my family really likes Christmas Vacation. So these ones will probably go in our card plain stuff. I also found A Christmas Story. So I don't know what I'll do with these. But again, they might just go in our card playing kits. There was a Peanuts one, but I did not, like, I could see it on the box, but they didn't have any in there, so those ones were gone. But I did get 2 Grinch because I figured I would probably use the most for crafting because they're cartoony. So I was really hoping I would find the Peanuts ones, but I'm still on the hunt for them. So these are what the Grinch ones look like. And then there's, yeah, these would be cute because you can cut these out and use them as ephemera as well. And they would have, you know, some, you know, I don't know, thickness to them, I guess. So these are really cute. I got 2 sets. I will probably gift one. I know that Mika really likes the Grinch as well, so I'll probably send a set to her. These are really cute. These are really cute. So I'm glad I got 2 sets of those. And I think that's all I found at the Dollar Tree. Nothing really new and amazing that I was like, oh, I need to find those. I need to get those. But I did find some good little gems while I was kind of just wandering around. If there's anything out there that you think I need, let me know. But if you see something you like, I hope that you have good luck finding it. And yes, happy hunting out there, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.